Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you my Milan cut signature technique. It's my most requested style that's on my booking site. It comes from one of my clients. I took it from her Instagram name and it gets a lot of attention. A lot of people request it because it's cute, it's fun, and it's very sassy. So the first and most important part is when you do your consultation. This determines how you're going to cut, style, and color your client's hair. You want to make sure that you are feeling the hair, touching the hair, so that you can achieve the look that she's looking for. Okay, so how do you want your hair cut today? Okay, this is really cute. I like that.
I like it too.
It's really pretty.
I'm excited.
Once my client comes from out of the dryer, I will then clean up her haircut on the sides and the back. I will then blow dry her hair on the top and mold her sides and back. Lay them with the wrap strip papers so that it has a nice, solid, flat foundation. Then I will curl her, style her, and voila.